Oh, hi, my name is EduManage and this is my secure web development project. The aim of the project is to design and analyze a web application with a strong focus on security principles and identify the vulnerabilities. And the application which I created was a student management system that supports basic operations such as user registration, login, and data management. The main focus of this project is not about its functionality, but identify the security weaknesses and improving it. As I said, the main focus is not about its functionality. It's all about the security and its improvement. So I have while creating this application, I have first I developed it. While developing, I noticed some vulnerabilities. So I have created a separate code for that, and then I had after improving, I did a separate for uh, that that too. So let's now run the vulnerable code, which is by app app underscore vulnerability.py. So for running that, we have to type Python dot app dot vulnerable dot py. So we have got the HTTP link. So for running it, we have to go to with the link we have to show the vulnerable port which was 50002. So this is a vulnerable port. Let's open it. So this is a vulnerability app, the vulnerable code. So here, the first vulnerability here is that without even logging in as a user or admin, we can open or we can see the dashboard by like adding dash dashboard to it. So this is the first vulnerability. We have opened the vulnerable like we have get access into the system without even login login. So I'm just logging out. So I'm just creating it. I'm just creating a user called test user uh, a, test user one and the password. So I have created a user. So now we can log in with the admin. So admin, it's my admin, and the password is admin. And the second vulnerability over here is is that the password it is so weak that anyone can or a hacker can easily break into it. So the admin password is so weak. We have logged in, and this is the dashboard of the admin. So now we can enroll the student uh, as a registered student, as test user one, and we are giving its name as test user one, and we are giving the course as computer science, and we are giving the mark as 8. So we have created, or we have enrolled the student, so we can see that. I'm just logging out. So, uh, so with this, without even logging or without even logging as an admin, uh, we can change the credential. I just want to edit the test user one. So I'm just adding edit underscore student slash one. So we have got access into the admin page, and I am going to edit this test user one to just test user. So just so I'm making the change, save changes. So it came as save changes as test user. So now I'm just logging out. Even I can delete the user by adding the delete command and one. Now the test user is deleted. So to verify that, just we have to log in into the admin by the username admin and the password admin, and we can see that there are no students because we have because before we have deleted. So this is the vulnerable app. This was the vulnerable app, and now we have to stop run this code by Control C. I'm just clearing it, and I'm just clearing the database. Uh, now I'm just running the non-vulnerable code or the code without any vulnerabilities. So for running it, we have to type Python dot app dot py. So we can see we got the link, and the port is 550,001, and before the vulnerable core was 502, and now we got 5000. So for that we have, so our enterprise for the secure one was secure or the non-vulnerable. Uh, this was this so before in the vulnerability in the vulnerable code, without even login we can just get into the dashboard. Let's just check if we can get into the dashboard by in this. So it's going back, so we cannot even get inside that. So now I am just now I'm just creating a new user called test user one, and creating a password, just signing in. So this is the test user one. I'm just logging out, and I'm logging into admin, and giving a strong password. So before our vulnerability, before our vulnerability was not giving a strong password, and now I just have given a strong password for the admin. So let's see. So there is one, we can see here, there is one registered student. Let's enroll him in the student section by enroll student. Over here, we can see the student user one is, so I'm giving the registered student as student user one, and I am giving the name as student user one itself. And yeah, I'm taking the course as computer science and giving the mark as 90 and enroll. So this is the student user one, and its score is 90, and and I'm just logging out. Now let's check without even login. We can edit or we can delete this function. For for editing, we have to use edit underscore Mark one. You see, it won't edit. I'll see delete function. So delete the same delete slash one. We'll see. We cannot get into the system without login or without any user or without any login. So I'm just checking the test user one. So this is a page of the test user. The major issue I identified was the SQL ingestion where user input was directly used in the database inquiry, and this allows the attackers to manipulate the query. To fix this, I had used for parametrics query or the query for fixing it. The second was the password was stored in the frame. This is highly insecure, and I improved this by using the hash technique, such as bypassing hash by, to secure a strong password. And the next issue was that the system allowed users to control their phone type through a hidden field, which is a serious privilege excavation risk. And this was fixed by handling roles only on the server side. These were the main vulnerabilities, and these were the security these were how I fixed it. So, in conclusion, in this project demonstrate how security must be integrated at every stage of development, no, or not adding later. Thank you.